Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 30th of May 2022. How to live trade Forex today in our Forex trading plan. Alright, so yes. Okay, thank you. Hubert, thank you so much. Okay, and yes. Flora, Carol, yes, Freenet, Fab 你好 CK 你好 Bradley, and also Aiden. Yeah, Rainer. Oh, okay. Roger. All right. Lucas, Leonard. Yeah, nice to see all of you here. All right. So yes, it's time. This week is going to be a fresh week again. So I hope last Friday everyone managed to grab some profit. Okay. All right. So yeah, coming back here. Okay. So yes. Yep. Today. Yes, Roger. Today I will still be going live. Okay, I will still be going live in the afternoon later on. Okay, so yeah, let's quickly get into our the forex trading plan. Okay, so that we know what to get. Okay, what to focus for the day. All right. Okay, so it's a fresh new week. Yes. For those who have just joined into this channel, all right, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up to show your appreciation for my live session. Also, to ring up the bell so that you can get the latest update. All right. Hi, good morning, George. Right. So yes, let's start off. Usually, as a full-time trader like me, okay. So this is my practice. Okay. I will first of all start off with planning. Okay. So what do I mean by the planning? That means to say, I started to, analyze what are the currency pairs that I want to focus. Okay, then after that, I go into the plan, right? I go into the plan to see what are the plans should I have for individual, right? Individual currency pairs that I'm going to focus. Then from there, when I wanted to start trading, I will look at the situation, right? Is that a good situation for me to grab, okay, to grab my profit? All right. Okay. So once again, I hope the last weekend I have posted a videos. All right. So I hope all of you have enjoyed that video and get something out of it. Okay. All right. So once again, now let's start off with our Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie CAD over here. First of all, take a look. What is the trend first? All right, the trend, downward trend, which is quite good. All right, so we have tested the bull zone. All right, and then started to go up on higher high over here, higher lows, creating a higher high. Am I right? Okay, so right now, over at this point, okay, it is at the verge. Okay. Like I always say, this is the kind of chart that I will be looking at. It's at the doorstep between the bull and the bear. So tentatively, I'm not going to trade this because it's unsure. But looking at the flow, okay, we have a one here flowing up and creating a higher lows, creating the second wave, higher lows, and now this is the third wave to go for a higher high. So tentatively, I will place my mindset as this is a higher high, going to be a higher high. So very likely bull is very possible. All right. So over here, when we are looking at this, this is something going for a buy, but is it a good buy now? I would say that no, it is not yet. Okay. But since it's not a good buy, is it a good selling? It's also neither. So why do I say that? It's because there are stages where we actually stop somewhere in the zone whereby there is nowhere we are going to trade, right? So it's good to stay away because there's no clear directions of where we are going to trade. Okay, whether we are buying or selling, then we have to stay away. Don't push yourself into a corner whereby you have to enter a trade. All right, so you don't have to do that. Okay, so since there's no directions, there's no clear directions for Aussie CAD, I'm going to skip this Aussie CAD and quickly go into Aussie Frank. All right, Aussie Frank over here. Well, Aussie Frank is now tested on the support, and it is not actually moving downwards. So buying is still possible. However, we are actually moving right into the bear. So if you are going to buy in the bear market, you are having an anti-trend trading, which is not advisable. All right. So same thing. Since that's the case, give it a miss. Okay. So selling is not possible today, but probably on the second half of the day, or let me see, second half of the day, or maybe tomorrow. Okay, so tentatively is on the retracement side, so then I won't touch this. Okay, all right. So Aussie yen over here. Aussie yen, yes, we are in the bear one over here, one wave creating a lower low over here, and another wave creating a lower high, creating another lower low. So over here we are in the bear. Okay, we are in the bear. Yes. So in the bear, will there be a good chance for us to sell today? Tentatively, I would say that there may be, because right now it's testing on the resistance. Right, it's testing on the resistance right here. Okay, so we can actually put this resistance over here, right? Or a one from here, the one wave here down, creating one resistance, as you can see, as a previous support, creating a tested situation and breaks. So now when it retraces up, it can rejected here as a resistance. Now rejected again as a resistance, again and again. So this part here, we are very, very close. Okay, so of course, there's no definite level. So the resistance can ranging from this area, as you can see here, there's one. So down here, another one. So over here, so as you can see, this is the range. This is the range of the resistance. Okay, so we are basically in the range of the resistance right now. Okay, testing the resistance, going into the range of the resistance, which something that we can consider. Perhaps when it's not breaking and it has a new cycle to sell down, all right, then probably that will be a good chance. Okay, so by looking at this, we have, as I say always, as always, this is the white line here is my moving support here. Okay, so over here we have about 45 to 45 pips to go from the resistance. So if there's a new cycle of selling down, probably we can grab this. Okay, so but however, now it's still testing on the resistance, so probably it will go right up to break the resistance, but it's still at the verge, so we still have some chance. Okay, we can still pay attention to this. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put this into my selling list. All right, so yep. Okay, so Aussie yen, I'm going to put this into this in my list here. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Right, Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. Are we coming down for selling right now? Yes. However, okay, today we have a retracement. So it looks like today is a retracement day. So tentatively, I would say that because it's still very fresh, it's turning. I don't know whether it is turning down as a bear or is actually hammering the support for a few days. You know, for the past few days, it has already past few trading days, it has already been here for quite some time. So I'm going to give this a miss as well. Okay, I'm going to give this a miss because there's no clear directions yet. Okay, it's like you know, just now earlier on, like AUDCAD, we are at the verge to become a bull, but now this is at the verge to become a bear. Right, so I'm going to give this a miss as well. All right, so let's move again. Aussie dollar. If I'm going too fast, do let me know. I will slow down. All right. Okay, so this part here, right? Okay, so let's see. We shall Aussie dollar. We are moving. Are we moving into the bull already? That's the question now. Okay, so Aussie dollar over here. Let's take a look. Okay, so Aussie dollar, as we are moving now, okay, you can see one wave here moving for higher lows, another higher lows, creating a higher high. So very likely now it's already it's moving towards into the bull. All right. So over this part here, I would say, okay, I would say, since that's one of the resistance up here, and now we are actually moving into the bull. So today for sellers, we are not going to sell Aussie dollar, but for buyers, you can take a look. Okay, buyer can take a look, but you need a little bit more patience because you need to wait for it to hit on the support level, where I see the support level is actually here. Okay, so this area of support. So in this case, we have we are in the middle. You know, we are in the middle. So buyers have to take note, but seller no. Okay. All right, Euro Aussie. As for Euro Aussie over here, okay, let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, we are now, where are we heading? We are now in the bear, and then after tested the bull, it went up here, correct? Okay, so over here is actually in the bull market, retesting. We are retesting the door, right? Okay, we are retesting the door of the bear and also the bull here, so to see whether will it come back for a retesting. So tentatively, same thing. If it's coming back for a retesting, which is not very ideal, then just give it a miss. Okay, all right. Don't chase after that. Although, like I say, it's very likely to be a retesting. Okay, it's very likely to be a retesting in the bull market back to the bear. But once again, we are not very sure today. So since we are not very sure today, if we are going to, first thing is in the bull, second thing is in the retesting, third thing is on the support. Okay, support combination, the combination of the support and the bull is very likely to fly. Correct? It's likely to fly. So since it's likely to fly, then I guess this is not the right one for us. Okay, to focus. I mean, okay. All right. How about EuroCAD? EuroCAD, we are now heading down, testing on the bull zone, and once again, it's now going on the, it looks like going to bull. But we are in the transition. We are still in the transition. So this is the door to the bull. Okay, after crossing here, the resistance here will become the bull. So in that case, over at this point, are we still in the resistance? Are we still in the bear? Yes, we are. However, can we sell? Now check. Okay, I would say that probably this may be quite this may be quite challenging. Okay, over here as we can see, we are very near to the support here. Okay, we are only at 15 pips away, right? So currently, I would say that EuroCAD, you may stand a chance, but it will come probably on the second half of the day. So first half of the day, well, I guess I have to give it a miss. Okay, all right. Yes, we have to give it a miss tentatively. Okay, by looking at this today, all right. So yeah, Euro Pound. Okay, Euro Pound. I'm going to give this a miss as well. So because of the situation right now, all right. And as we can see, okay, now Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen, will there be a chance for us to actually coming for a selling? Euro Yen, okay, Euro Yen, we have now coming here, pushing, okay, now coming back here. It seems like it's going for a bull, okay, it's going for a buy. All right, the trend over here, I would say it is not in the bearish market yet, but it's a selling. So today, if it's a selling, okay, I would say that tentatively by looking at this, we are now hitting on the resistance, which is quite good. Okay, we are on this resistance right now. Okay, so pretty good. So Euro Yen is very obvious that we are going to catch up for a selling. So, but where is the support level? I will say that over here, as you can see, the support level. This is one. This one. Okay, all right. So for Euro Yen, okay, last week as we are having a live session, I plot out the blue box. It completed the blue box, as you can see over here. Okay, if you still remember, it completed the blue box. After that, it started to retrace on the Friday and started to go up. Okay, so yeah, so this is how we are going to plot out our plan. So same thing. Okay, today I'm going to put Euro Yen into my watch list. Okay, so this is one good point. This is one good currency for selling, since we are already now testing on the resistance. I guess this is pretty good. Okay, I guess this is pretty good. So this is something that we should be paying attention to, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put this Euro Yen into my watch list. So let's wait for a new cycle selling coming soon. Coming soon. Euro Yen is coming soon. Okay, and CK from Malaysia. Yeah, this is one of the structure that you're looking out for. Okay. All right. So yes, hi, Mr. Lim. Nice to see you here. So let's move to Euro Kiwi. Okay. Right, Euro Kiwi over here. Let's see what do we have for Euro Kiwi. Okay. Now, Euro Kiwi over here. Yes. Euro Kiwi. What do we have here? Euro Kiwi. Okay. Now Euro Kiwi, we are in the bull. Okay, Euro Kiwi, we are in the bull. So Euro Kiwi, since already in the bull and now retracing downwards to hits on the support, as you can see, last Friday it went down to test the support, and actually for the last 1 week we've actually been testing on this support and it is not breaking yet. So tentatively, it looks like it's quite tough on the support here. So I'm going to give this a miss. Whether it's coming back for retesting, I guess tomorrow will be better. Will be clearer for us to see. All right. So right now, it is not the chance yet. Okay. All right. So Euro Dollar. How about Euro Dollar? Well, Euro Dollar, if you're asking me whether should I sell right now, I'm not going to sell right now. Okay. It's high chance that it's actually into the bull. So buying is possible, but let's wait for it to retest the previous resistance as a support for buyers. Then you start buying. Okay, so sellers, we have to stay away from Euro Dollar. Okay, all right. So Pound Aussie over here. Yes, Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie, we are still hovering around this area. Am I right? Last week we are talking about this. Okay, we are talking about this, that and this is the part that this is the part where you can actually see that this is something where we wanted to observe, where when it started to coming in as a resistance over here, then it started to retrace downwards to as a ranging, as a sideways trading over here. You can see that, correct? Okay, so I guess this is pretty good. Okay, this is pretty good, as you can see. But right now, since it's already in the ranging, okay, but seems like it's breaking out the ranging area, the sideways area. But I will still say that this is not really very ideal. Okay, because any point of time it hits on the support and it will start to retrace upwards to meet the resistance again. So it will still be in the sideways. Okay, so I guess this is not really very good. Okay, all right. Okay, so right now, so we shall skip this Pound Aussie as well. Okay, if you manage to catch the Pound Aussie, all right. Like I said, the ranging downwards, I think that is pretty good. Okay, all right. Okay, so right now let's go into Pound CAD. Let's take a look at Pound CAD. Okay, Pound CAD over here. Pound CAD right now. Okay, we are having this very, very close fight between the bull and the bear, but the Pound CAD is something good that we actually coming in after retesting, but it's feared to go into the bull, and it started to retrace downwards as a bear. So over here, so currently I will still say that we are still in the selling. All right, so tentatively, since we are still in the selling, we should be looking out for a resistance. Okay, we should be looking out for a resistance, right? Okay, but over here, I guess this is something good about Pound CAD over here. As we can see, okay, I would say that we have a support here. The resistance is building up right now as a previous support become tested, resistant. Okay, it's now being resisted. Pound CAD now is being resisted. Okay, which is good. Now, so since we are being resisted, we have tested the resistance now. Okay, we are heading downwards already. Okay, so grab some opportunity to enter for a Pound CAD. Okay, so I'm gonna put AUDCAD into my list. Okay, AUDCAD. So this is going to be a good one. Okay, so Pound Frank, we have been struggling. You know, we are still struggling over here. You know, yes, struggling. Okay, so over here, since it's already been struggling in the bull zone, you know, it's so tough, then forget about it. All right, let's move on. Okay, let's move on to Pound Yen. Pound Yen. Okay, Pound Yen. Yes, Pound Yen, we are happy, but don't get overwhelmed by this. Don't get yourself overwhelmed by all these profits last week. Okay, Pound Yen, a total of 237 pips collected. Okay, 237 pips collected. Right, from the live session. Okay, which I think that is pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. So I guess guys, keep on. Okay, keep up the good work. But when I say keep up the good work, doesn't mean that we continue to sell Pound Yen. Okay, all right. So we still have to analyze out and see what's going on. Okay, as we can see now, downward trend. We are in the bear. Correct. So after that, it has a retrace, but a pushback once again. Then after that, it started to retrace slowly upwards to recover the losses from last week. So this week, probably we are still in the bear. We are still in the bear. But today, it seems like a retracement day. So probably we something that we have to take note. Okay, we have to take note whether should we sell today. All right, so let's take a look. We have been selling off from this wave, if you remember. Okay, this wave. All right. So this is the wave, and after that it started to recover, but can you see it started to stop at this resistance area, and it came back again, and this is another round that we took one, if you remember. Then after that it went again. Correct, it went again. Now it's still trying to test on this resistance. So over here to here right now we have about 50 pips. Okay, we have 50 pips right now. Okay, we are still in the selling. We are still in the selling. So right now, as you can see, this is the one of the resistance here, and the resistance area over here. There's one that's created by the last wave over here, and then after they've been testing until today. All right. So since it has been testing until today, there may be a good chance for selling. All right, there may be a good chance for selling. Okay, for Pound Yen once again. I think it's very happy, right? Okay, well, I'm going to put Pound Yen into my list. Okay, but we are already on the resistance right now. Okay, we are already on the resistance right now. So just be careful and bear in mind that probably this is the time, right? This may be the time. Okay, it will start selling once again. Okay, so just grab the best opportunity to start selling if you see something there. All right. Okay, so this is something that I'm going to put this into my watch list. Right, Pound Kiwi. Let's take a look at Pound Kiwi over here. Pound Kiwi over here, like I said, is already in the, it's actually into the bull. Okay, it's actually into the bull. But the bull is coming back for a retesting of into the bear zone once again. Right. So, however, we are still in the bull area. Okay, we are still in the bull area. So tentatively, if I'm going to start selling off this Pound Kiwi, well, probably we can. Okay. It's just that this is a retesting. Okay, it's a retesting from the bull. Okay, if this actually goes further deep down, all right, further deep down, that actually coming in to sell more clearer, okay, with a clearer picture that I can see that whether it is a bull or bear, then I will decide to sell. Well, that maybe tomorrow, but not now. Okay, but not now. All right. So, however, but I'm still looking at this point whereby, you know, actually the retesting is still have a very good potential of 158 pips. Okay, so yeah, but currently it's not into my structure. I'm not going to put this into my watch list. Okay, but if you are going to sell, please sell it with care. Okay. All right. So how about Pound Dollar? Pound Dollar. Today we are slightly stepping out of the door of the bull. Okay, into the bull market. So I will say that today the Pound Dollar, I guess, buying is possible than selling. Okay, after it retested the support, the previous resistance as a support, very likely it will start to buy. Okay. All right. So dollar CAD. How about dollar CAD? Well, okay, as we can see, dollar are actually going quite weak as compared to Aussie, compared to pound and euros. So likely it has it's going to have a good fall. Right, since we are actually coming into the bear market. Like last Thursday I was talking about this area, it's still still somewhere there or there. Okay, so then I decided not to, but today I guess this is something quite okay. This is something quite okay that we can focus. All right, something that we can focus over here. So let me see, where is the support? Okay, where is the support area? Okay, let me check. Is the support area correct? All right. So tentatively, tentatively, as you can see over here, yes, support here, right? Support tested, and over here we are still above the support level. So if I'm going to start selling on this dollar CAD, I wanted to wait for it to break the support area before I start selling. Okay. After it breaks, okay, as you can see over here, it's we are very near. If you lower down to 1 time frame down, you can see it's very near. So I wanted to break the support to form a new resistance, okay, and a new selling cycle in H1, all right, and then I will start selling. Okay, so dollar CAD is pretty good. Okay, I'm going to put dollar CAD into my watch list as well. Okay, and seems like it's quite potential. All right, so how about dollar franc? Dollar franc. All right, dollar franc, let's take a look. Well, dollar franc, we have over here last week we have a selling of dollar franc as well. Okay, so we started to sell dollar franc over here to here about 280. Okay, about 286 pips we have gone through. All right, so some of you managed to capture it. Yeah, okay, and I guess quite good. Okay. I think this is something good about this dollar franc. I think this is fantastic. Okay, but then again, it seems like it's coming for a landing. Remember what I told you, landing the last Thursday? All right. So if I'm telling you that this is a landing, so it's very likely it's going to retrace upwards. So there may be a very harsh pullback. So when there's a very harsh pullback, so where are we looking out for? We should be looking out for resistance. Am I right? Okay, so no change to the support and resistance, but I think it's going to be a long wait. So since it's going to be a long wait, I think dollar franc, we're going to give it a miss first. All right, since dollar today also having a bank holiday, so very likely today can be quite low in volume, and the volatility is not there. Okay, so how about dollar yen? Dollar yen, same thing. Still is landing on the supports now. So it's landing on the support. We're going up on a sideways. So currently, I don't encourage trading for dollar yen at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to give this a miss first. Okay, so next to go, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin. Okay, and Bitcoin wise, okay, I think this is pretty good. Okay, I hope Riano and Roger, okay, you grab some. Okay. Yes, now we are heading now to 32. Yeah, okay, yeah. So actually, from this, we can look at this. Okay, we are actually now moving towards the 32 mark. Okay, so I guess it's still pretty good. Okay, so this is fantastic. Okay, and I see that this is still we have potential in moving upwards, because we can see that this part here, we have a boost. We have quite a big boost in the market right now. Okay, so since last week, news have been released, so it's quite positive for actually Bitcoin. All right, so I guess this is going to be some fortune for somebody. Okay, Aiden, Bradley, 112 pips. Oh, okay. Aiden, 27 to 30 TP. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think pretty good. Okay, that's the way. That's how we actually grab this Bitcoin. Okay, so I think Bitcoin wise, I think it's quite straightforward. Am I right? Okay. All right. So yeah, since that's all for today. Okay, so let's quickly sum up what do we have here. All right, and let's see. Aussie yen, Euro yen, okay, pound CAD, pound yen, and dollar CAD. Okay, so I guess this is pretty good. Okay, so this is for the first half, and I think everyone should start focusing on this. Okay, all right. So today we are going to later on we're going to have another live session over here. So with one Mandarin, one English. So stay tuned with us. All right, guys. So see you later, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to smash the like button to show your token of appreciation, and also subscribe to my YouTube, and also ring up the bell so that you can get the latest update. All right. Okay, thank you, guys. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Wish you good luck and with bountiful of profits, and also enjoy trading today. All right. Thank you, guys. See you again. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. See you.